In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your competitors' keywords and then outrank them. Welcome to LowFruits. We analyze the search engine results for you to find the low competition keywords that you can rank for today. Let's get started. So the first way to find your competitors is using Google. Very simple. You already know how to use Google. So in this case, we're going to look for Los Angeles florist. We're just doing a simple search for that. Underneath the sponsored results here, I can see a result from Gilly Flowers, Sunny Alexander, French florist. So this is how I can find my competitors using Google. The second way we're going to find our competitors, find what keywords they're ranking for, and figure out how to outrank them is by using a keyword research tool, and we are going to use LowFruits. So I'm on the LowFruits homepage. I'm going to click on this link for your dashboard. If you don't have a LowFruits account, you can create one and get a free 14-day trial, so you can take LowFruits out for a test drive before you decide if you want to keep using it. So from the LowFruits dashboard, let's click on this link over here that says KWFinder for Keyword Finder. And then I'm going to perform a search for that same term, Los Angeles florist, and then give LowFruits a minute to do its thing. I'm going to speed this part of the video up. And LowFruits has found 809 keywords around the keyword Los Angeles florist. So you have two options. You can access those keywords for free, or you can analyze all of these for high intent keywords in one shot, but it's going to use 66 of your credits. LowFruits works on a credit-based system. I'm just going to access it. I don't need to find the high intent keywords right now. So at this point, LowFruits is showing us a list of 809 long tail keywords related to our original seed term, Los Angeles florist. But we're not actually looking for long-tail keywords just yet. We want to check out our competition. In this competition tab up top, we can see 0. And that's because none of these keywords have been analyzed yet. This alert here that probably everyone is ignoring is telling us that no keywords have been analyzed yet. So what I want to do is bring up my original keyword. That's going to be the last one on this list. So I'm going to go to the last page here, page 17. Scroll down, here's Los Angeles florist. So I'm going to highlight that, and then I'm going to click the button here that says SERP extraction, and that will analyze this keyword and charge me 1 credit. And once again, we're just going to let LowFruits do its thing and wait a second. The page will reload when it's been analyzed. If it doesn't, just scroll back up and wait until you see something happen on competition. So now under competition, I'm seeing 10. So it's showing me 10 competing websites that are ranking for the term Los Angeles florist. So let's click on that competition tab, and we can see our competitors right here. Under keywords, it's going to show 1 for all of them because I only analyzed 1 keyword. But here's 10 competitors who are ranking for that keyword Los Angeles florist. A very important column to pay attention to here is the domain authority column. A lower domain authority is better for you because it's an easier site to outrank. So you want to pay attention to domain authority here. So this website, lopezflowershopca.com, only has a domain authority of 8. So you have a pretty decent chance of outranking them for the term Los Angeles florist. So at this point, we could make a list of all of the low domain authority websites, maybe anyone under 30 or anyone under 20. But we can also take this one step further. I can take some of these lower domain authority websites like Lopez Flower Shop CA. I'm going to take the one above it. I'm going to click on these little plus icons and add them to my list. I got this one is an 8, this one is a 19, this one's a 20. I'll include that one. This one's an 18, and this one's a 17. And those keywords are now added to my extraction list. So I'm going to go ahead and click that extract button. That'll bring us to the extraction list. And we can see here's those URLs I just added to the list. And then if you'll notice here, there's some tabs. So you have options of what you can extract. We could extract the sitemap of these websites. We could extract the top ranking keywords that they're ranking for, or we could extract some keyword ideas. Personally, I want to use ranking and see exactly what these sites are ranking for because LowFruits already does such a good job of giving me keyword ideas. You saw earlier in this video, I gave it 1 seed keyword, Los Angeles florist, and it came up with 809 keyword ideas. So I want to see exactly what my competition is ranking for. I've got these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 websites, all with a domain authority under 20, So I'm going to click extract and see what terms they are ranking for. See the exact terms that they are ranking for. Once again, just give LowFruits a minute to do its thing. Does not take that long, less than 60 seconds for 5 domains like this. And just like that, we've extracted a list of 2,566 keywords that these 5 sites are ranking for. 5 websites that are our direct competition, 5 websites that have a domain authority of 20 or less. So this is a very actionable list. I can click this blue arrow here, download it to my computer. I've got this opened up in Numbers. You could also open it up in Excel, Google Sheets, any kind of spreadsheet will do. It's showing me the 2,500 terms, and yes, it does break them down by which website is ranking for those terms. I've got it sorted by that alphabetically, so this anthonyflowers.com URL is showing up first, and then below that, the other URLs. So you've got plenty to work with here. In the next step, you could go ahead and create content for any of these search terms and be confident that you've got a good chance of ranking for them, because these 5 websites here all have a domain authority of 20 or below, and they're ranking for those terms. And also, don't forget our original seed term, the Los Angeles Florist, had those same 5 websites, the same domain authority of 20 or below, ranking for that term. So just by spending 5 minutes in LowFruits, you can have the confidence going forward to create content around search terms that you actually have a chance of ranking for. So that's how to find your competitors' keywords and outrank them. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to start using LowFruits to find hidden opportunities in the search results, go ahead and click on the very first link in the description below this video to get started right now.